Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to change the size of the app folder in the home screen of Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and just scroll down below, and now just click on the software update and just click on this download and install and check for if any newer software update is available or not. So you need to update to the One UI version 7, and after that just move back. Now you can see here I have a app folder, so this is called the app folder. So just tap and hold on it. Now you will see here one option, enlarge. Just click on it. Now you can see the app folder size has been enlarged. So if you want to restore it back, just tap and hold again. Now you can see here string option. Just click on it and it will restore back to the default app folder size. And if you want to customize it more further, then just open the Galaxy Store and just search for GoodLock, and the first is to see the GoodLock application. So you download and install this GoodLock, and if this GoodLock is not available on your respective Samsung smartphones, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for FindLock, and the first list you will see the FindLock application. So you can install either the GoodLock or FindLock, whichever supports on your respective Samsung smartphone, and after that just open the GoodLock or FindLock, whichever you have installed. Now under this plugins option, you will see here one option, Home App. So you need to download and install it. So you firstly download and install this Home App and just click on it and turn it on firstly if you have not turned it on, and just turn on this home screen feature, and after that just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here one option, large folder. Just turn it on and just click on this large folder again. Now here you will see here medium, which is the default size when you enlarge the app folder size, and if you want more larger, then just select the larger. And below there are large folder grids too, so you can change the folder grids to 4x4 also, and below you can change the icon size to small, medium and large. I'll just keep it to medium. And now let us check. Just tap and hold on this app folder again. Now if I click on this enlarge, now you can see the size of the app folder has increased more than the earlier size. Now if you want to restore it back, just tap and hold on it, click on the string, then it will restore back to the default app folder size. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily change the size of the app folder in the home screen of Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.